Today, millions of students are traveling the globe for education. It's a complex industry which continues to grow as new host nations welcome international students. But in a world where overseas students can explore thousands of places to study, how do you find and attract the best students to your place of learning? How do you run a cost-effective administration with ever-changing financial, security, and immigration rules? With numerous stakeholders all adding value to the student, isn't it time for a single cost-effective system that addresses everyone's needs? Introducing WEBA World, our new ecosystem which allows you to connect, attract, recruit, and enroll international students all through a single system. With WEBA World, you can manage the application and admission process through a single system, allowing full transparency with each stakeholder connected to the student. Consider the applicant by conducting recording and archiving interviews. Share output internally with other faculty members to make a more informed decision. Receive fees paid securely into an escrow account with all financial probity checks made, including fraud detection, anti-money laundering, and sanction list checks. Navigate students and families through the complex immigration process through our Immigration Support Center. Track enrollment through a single system and ensure all external payments to agents are paid promptly and efficiently. With WEBA World, all data and intelligence is held securely in one place, adhering to globally accepted standards and mitigating academic, financial, legal, and immigration risks. And as a whole market solution provider, our cutting-edge technology and support centers are designed to help institutions of all types. So whether you are a public or private institution, a school, a college, or a university, a mature or a new recruiter of international students, a globally ranked or a niche institution, there is a solution for you. You can work with WEBA World to pick and choose the blend of products and support centers that meet your strategy. So you can concentrate on what's important, delivering quality education for all. Join WEBA World and become part of a global community today.